Hello, audience. I we just started with our nice new channel, West on Broadway. What we're going to be doing is just explaining what we do backstage during our shows. This year we're doing A Christmas Story, which we're all pretty excited about. I'm working tonight with the manager, Wyatt, and I'm the head of sound. And we're just going through the script a little bit, talking about what we're going to do for this channel, as well as talking about the future of this channel and what we might do. So if you want to tune in and just see what we're going to do, that would be great. Subscribe, like, see what we're about.